Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, January 11th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles. This one, the 3 stars, well, not actually 3 stars. I think this one should be a 4 or 5 stars. Then a 4 stars, not actually a 4 stars. I think this one is a 1 star. And we have 3 puzzles left: Tectonic, the Binary, and the Killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. Yeah, in today's newspaper on Tuesday, January 11th, 2022. In this additional, we will continue with the Binary puzzle number 3963. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. But I think this box cannot be an O. If this box should be an O, then we have in this row 3 ones in a row. In this row, not allowed. One of the rules. So no 3. So I think this box should be a 1, and that box should be an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 1s comes an O. Finish in 3 minutes. Wow, wow, wow. Without any comparing. So, yes, I like this one. Very quick to solve. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the 4th puzzle. It will be a tectonic one. And I have also a killer Sudoku. Yes. See you then. Bye-bye for now.